Good morning, children. Now I am explaining what problem. This is page number 9, 17th one. A family needed 4.5 liters milk in one day. How much milk was used in a week? See, they take per day 4.5 liters. Okay, for whole week, how much milk they use? They are asking here. How you will do? First write a family need milk. Statement ela rastaru. A family need milk a day. Per day or a day. How much you want? How much they want? 4.5 liters. Okay. And what they are asking? How much milk was used in a week? 1 week lo enta milk use chestaru ani adugutunnaru. So what you have to do in a week? Number of days in a week. Week lo any days untayi? Number of days in a week. How many days in a week? 7 days. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this. Okay. 4.5 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry 5. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. 31. Okay. Next, what they are asking here? How much milk was used in a week? So what? Therefore, 31 liters, 31.5 liters of milk they used in 1 week. Got it, children? You have to multiply this and write the answer. 31.5 liters of milk they used in 1 week. Okay, got it? Next, coming here, see what we got. 31.5. Why we are keeping point here? Because after 1 digit here point is there. Here also after 1 digit we have to keep point. It means what we got? 31.5 liters of milk they used in 1 week. Okay, children? Next, coming to the exercise 2.2. Rewrite the numbers by putting commas and write the number name also. Okay. First, what they are asking? They are asking to keep the commas. It means separate the periods. How you will separate? Hundreds place ni separate cheyali, thousands place ni separate cheyali, lakhs place ni separate cheyali. First, ones place raskoli paina. You have to write it. Ones, tens, hundreds. Happen kada? After finishing this, keep comma. 1000, 10,000. 1000, 10,000. Keep comma. Lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay, now write the number name. Number name rayal. Number name ela rastaru? First read this number. 89 lakhs 10,742. Spellings lo rayal. 89 lakhs 10,000 742. 42. Okay, now children, first separate the periods, read that number and write the spellings of that number. Write the number name of this number. First periods ni separate cheskondi numbers ni. Okay na? Do all the sums. Next, second bit, exercise 2.1, second bit, page number 12. write the expanded form. Here they have given the number, you have to expand it ante separate ga rayalannamata. First separate the periods, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Em ochindi 78,964. First you have to write 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900. 9 is in 100 plus no. What is the number in tens place? 6. 6 tens means 60 plus 4. You have to expand in this method. Okay, do all the sums in this method only. It is very easy. Coming to the third one, write the standard form. They have given a expanded form. You have to write in standard form. Expand chesi icharu, manam number laga rayalannamata. Aithe what you will do, you have to add this all the numbers. What is the number here? 90,000, 6,000, 322. 2, 3, 0 plus 6 is 6, 9. What we got? 96,322. ఇలా స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ ని రాసేసుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? expanded, they have given an expanded form. You have to write in standard form in this method. Do all మిగతా sums అన్ని ఇలానే చేయండి. Next, coming to the fourth bit, write the place value of 5 and 8 in the following. They have given the numbers here. What they are asking, write the place value of 5 and 8. ఆ numbers లో 5 ఇంకా 8 ఎక్కడెక్కడ వచ్చిందో ఆ place value రాయమని చెప్తున్నారు. Now see here, first what they are asking, write the place value of 5. Where is the 5? It is in ones place. So 5 is in ones place. 5 into 1 is 5. Next, what they are asking, the next number 8. Where is the 8 here? In thousands place. 8 is in thousands place. 8 into 1000 is 8,000. Okay children, do you got it? Do all the sums. Remaining sums you have to do by your own. Now I'm explaining ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means what children? Smaller number to bigger number. Okay, first you look at the digits. How many digits are here? 5 digits. All are 5 digits. ఓకే, అన్ని 5 డిజిట్స్ లేకపోతే మీరు తక్కువ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటే అది తక్కువ నంబర్గా మనం అనుకుంటాం, కానీ ఇక్కడ అన్ని 5 డిజిట్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, యూ షుడ్ సీ ద థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్ ఫస్ట్. 10,000s ప్లేస్ 6 6 6 అన్నిట్లో 6 ఉంది. తర్వాత థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్ అన్నిట్లో 4 ఉంది. తర్వాత హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ చూసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 0 0 0 8. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు దట్ 10,000s ప్లేస్, ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది. So this is the smallest number. Okay, this is the smallest number. 0 is the smallest number than 9. No, here it is 9, here it is 8, here it is 9, here it is 0, and here it is 0. So 0 is the same. 10s place లో 0 0 మనకి 2 places లో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ అక్కడ 1s place చూసుకుందాం. 9 7. So which is the smallest number? 7 is the smallest number. So this is the smallest number అన్నమాట. ఈ అన్నిట్లోనూ this is the smallest number. 64,807 is the smallest number. It completed. After finishing this, see these 4 numbers. ఈ 4 64,000 ఇదే కరెక్ట్ అయితే మరి 64,000 చూసుకోండి, అన్నిట్లో 64,000s ఉన్నాయి. 100s ప్లేస్ చూసుకోండి, 100s ప్లేస్ లో 0 0, ఇక్కడ కూడా 100s ప్లేస్ లో 0 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంది. సో ఇది గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది ఇప్పుడే రాదు, ఇది కూడా 8 గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ 100s ప్లేస్ 0 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 100s ప్లేస్ 0 ఉంది. కమింగ్ టు ద 10s ప్లేస్, ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది. సో 0 ఇస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. 0 ఇస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇదే నెంబర్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట, ఫస్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. is the smallest number. Okay, ఇది అయిపోయింది. ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మిగతాది 4 numbers 64,097, 64,089, 64,908, 807 ఉంది. సో tens place చూసుకోండి 9, 8. Which is the smallest number here? 8 is the smallest number. 8 is the smallest number అన్నప్పుడు ఇది smallest number. This is the smallest number in this. 64,089 is the smallest number. Okay. Next, ఈ number కూడా అయిపోయింది. After finishing that number, now look at these three numbers. 64,097, 64,908, 64,807. Which is the smallest number in this? 64,097 is the smallest. After that, next. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు నంబర్లు చూసుకోండి. 64,000, 64,000. 908 is the smallest number. 807 is the smallest number. 807 is the smallest number. Right? 64,807. Last number 64,908. This is a ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. First thousands place చూసుకోండి, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Next, descending order. Write the following in descending order. Descending order means greater number to smaller number, biggest number nunchi smaller number. Okay na? Here they have given us 6 digits. 6 digits అంటే lakhs place ఇచ్చారు. First lakhs place చూసుకోండి. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. సో గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ కావాలి కాబట్టి మనకు అన్నిట్లో ఇక్కడ 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs ఉంది lakhs place లో. తర్వాత 10 lakhs చూసుకోండి. 10 lakhs place లో 9 ఉంది కాబట్టి this is the మిగతావన్నీ ఇక్కడ 0 0 0 ఉంది. సో 0 is smaller than 9. So 9 is the greatest number కాబట్టి this is the greatest number. Okay, 3,99,001 is the greatest number. After finishing this, now see మళ్ళీ చూడండి 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs ఉంది. Coming to this 10,000s place, everyone ప్రతి ఒక్క నంబర్ దగ్గర 0 నే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ thousands place చూసుకోండి. 7, 8, 9. Which is the greatest number? 7, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. 9,000 is the greatest number. So you have to మీరు ఏమనుకోవాలి అప్పుడు ఇదే ఈ నంబర్, this number is the greatest number. 3,09,709 is the greatest number. ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 3,08,704, 3,07,603, ఇదేమో 2 lakhs వచ్చింది. సో 3 lakhs is greater number కాబట్టి 3 lakhs లో మళ్ళీ 10,000s place 0 0, thousands place లో 7 and 8. Which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So this is the greatest number. 3,08,704. After this, remaining number ఏంటి? 3,07,603, 2,06,709. 3 lakhs is the greatest number. 3,07,603. మిగిలిన నంబర్ ఏంటి? 2,06,709. Okay na children? Descending order means greater number to smallest number, biggest number to smallest number. Do all the sums, remaining sums. Okay children.